Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a restore point on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu and you want to type in restore point. Best match should say create a restore point directly above control panel. You want to left click on that to open it up. And now, if you do not have System Restore already configured on your device, where it says Configure Restore Settings, Manage Disk Space, and Delete Restore Points, click on this Configure button right here. Now you want to select Turn on System Protection, this first option up here. And now, for disk space usage, I'd recommend allocating a few percent. So I would say nothing more than 10% of your drive. And again, depending on how large your hard disk is, I don't think anything more than a couple megabytes is necessary. So you want to click on Apply and OK. And if you end up needing more space, you're more than welcome to apply. And now if you're looking to create a system restore point, you want to click on this Create button right here. Now you can name this whatever you want. So I'm going to name it Before Updates. And I'm going to click Create. And also, system restore points can be often created automatically when you're running Windows updates, and some programs will actually create a restore point before they install on your computer, kind of as a safety net or backup in case something went wrong during the installation process. So it should say the restore point was created successfully. Click on Close. And now if you wanted to go back and restore to a restore point we've created, you can click on the System Restore button right here. And it should say Restore System Files and Settings. Left click on Next. And there we go, guys. We see we have a restore point saved. Then we can click on Next. And then all we have to do to restore our computer back is click on this Finish button right here. And then say once started, System Restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? System Restore cannot be undone until it has completed. System Restore has been run in safe mode or from the System Recovery Options menu. It cannot be undone. Left click on Yes. And you want to make sure you've closed out of any open programs or applications you have on your screen at this time, as your computer is going to be restarting. and you should get a little dialog window saying the system restore completed successfully. Your documents have not been affected. So there you go, guys, pretty simple. Now, one last thing, if you ever wanted to free up some space and clear out some system restore points, I know we went through the maximum size we could allow for system restore to take up on our computer, but if you just wanted to free up some space that was below that requirement, this tutorial will also cover that. So we're going to go back into system restore here. You can left click on create a restore point, doesn't really matter when you're searching it up. And now you can select configure right here on the front page. And you can also delete all restore points on the drive by clicking delete. That's if you want to delete everything, and I think it would preserve the most recent one. So pretty straightforward, guys, and I do hope this brief video was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.